Updating your legal profile on Modal.com is essential to ensure that your information is current and accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes to your profile. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit Modal.com and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Edit your information. In the profile section, look for an option to edit or update your information. Click on this option to access fields such as your name, contact information, and any other relevant legal details. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your modifications. Step 5. Review your profile. Finally, review your profile to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Check each section carefully to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. By following these steps, you can easily keep your legal profile on Modal.com current and accurate. Regular updates help maintain professionalism and ensure compliance with any legal requirements.